Welcome to our tutorial on how to upload a sticker pack for Gang Sheet Builder at Alpha DTF print website. Once logged in, navigate to the DTF transfer section in the menu. From there, select the Gang Sheets Builder option to begin your project. In the Gang Sheets Builder, all sheets have a fixed width of 22 inches. Our Gang Sheets Builder offers a variety of lengths. Customize the length to fit your needs perfectly for the most efficient use of material. Select Build Gang Sheets to begin. Pick Auto Build for speed or Start Brand New Gang Sheet for personalized arrangements. For high-quality prints, choose Upload Image section and upload your design at 300 pi. After arranging your gang sheets to perfection, use the options to adjust the number and size of each sticker. Then, click the Save and Add to Cart button to secure your customized design. It's time to proceed to checkout. Here, you'll have the opportunity to review and finalize your order. Select Pickup at Store or choose Shipping during checkout. Finalize your order by completing the payment using your preferred method. Thank you for choosing Alpha DTF Print for your printing needs.